One of my dog them know are good.
So me not argue with you. Me
Yeah,
must
man.
see you for
One
stay
thing
in
man
the
sleep with them
because you know your life depend on that.
Eh?
You so dead.
One thing man sleep with them pampas.
I am, it is again and everyone ends back with a live with Shay and Blamdem Shay, guys. One epa puzzle. It's a very interesting video. Please like, share, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
Kitty.
But that tree
Che, one thing man
No, me not say nothing.
sleep with them pampas.
And Kitty, me
Damn,
sleep.
you love trouble, woman. Tap it
Man, they
down,
just
man.
call me and say man sleep with them pampas.
And one thing me have to say, me don't come. Me
One
not go
thing
back
man
and
sleep
forth
with
with
them
you,
pampas.
Blamdem, come me
Somebody
say,
just call me and
your
tell me.
days numbered.
Somebody just call me and tell
And
me. Somebody just call me and tell me say man sleep with them pampas. Paper, me just get the call a while ago. One of my dog them know are good.
So me not argue with you. Me
Yeah,
must see
man.
you for stay in
One thing man
the
sleep with them
because you know
pampas.
your life depend on that.
Eh?
You so dead.
One thing man sleep with them pampas. Somebody just call me and tell me.
That one thing me have to tell you, I'm done with you.
Blam them with their eardresser,
One thing man sleep with them pampas. Dog shit.
Blam
Me
them with
and you
their
now go back
eardresser.
and forth like no bitch.
Yeah, let's go.
Me
dog.
and you now go back and forth like no bitch. Me just to make you know
Blam
that.
them with their
Because you're
eardresser.
not a man. You're
You're
a
hungry
bitch.
like
You like to
dog.
walk and trace
You're
woman and
hungry like
disrespect
dog.
woman. And me and I
You're
go
hungry
back
like dog.
and
You're not
forth
woman,
batty
you're-
boy because
you're
artists
mule.
them fuck you.
You're not
So
woman,
me and
you're
you now
mule.
go back and forth.
You're not
Blam
woman,
them.
you're
Can you
mule.
batty what?
You're not woman, you're a mule. You're not woman, you're a mule. Dirty shell. Get in that place. You're a mule. You're Saddam Mangoro. You're up on the borderline.
You have to hide and stay in. You cannot go outside.
You're up on the
When everybody enjoy-
borderline. You're man or you're a woman. You're up on the borderline.
Your death wish the right around the corner. Pick your casket from now. Same like how them pronounce your granny, and so them a go pronounce you. So me now look pan blood clot you. You not have strength for man, a woman alone you have strength for.
Where's your two
You not have
child?
no strength for
Go
man.
find your pitney them.
Woman strength
You
alone
know
you
where
have.
your
You
pitney
not have
them,
no
dog
strength
shit.
for no man.
Go find
And
your
strength
pitney
for the
them.
man them a murder
Go
your
find your pitney
granny.
them. You and Jaden up on the same boat.
Cody,
You and Jaden a batty boy.
don't have strength for me.
One day I'm out there, man, and you and Jaden
Sit
a
on
batty
you
boy.
later.
Hold on. You hungry like that. I'm a screen dirty girl. My trash. Yo. You pitney power when I pit them. Sit there when I pit them. Child Protective Service. Or mule.
Laugh with him.
Sorry, baby,
If
me
like
not
how
adding
who
back.
gonna laugh up with him, me not gonna laugh with him because him not no respect. Him not no respect, so me not laugh up with people. Him can't come go like him want come disrespect me, cause he's not him friend. Me not come here
Me not, someone that they
every
got-
day. So when him come and talk about tell Shay unblock me, Shay, me sorry. Shay this, Shay that, Shay, me not answer you. You cannot tame. People like you, me stay far from you. Me and no friend. Y'all look friend, me not want a friend from you. What the fuck you do? And take insult for invitation here. So if you no welcome for have man a disrespect, that a phone problem. That not nothing to do with me. I'm different from Uno.
I same thing. Me say anybody come over here so and try to disrespect me, I block everybody.
This is what TikTok like. When him go around, him disrespect people, everybody laugh about it and rejoice about it. It's cute to them. But when it come and feed them food, them not gonna like it. Make it come out with them family for them.
Him never disrespect me though, but other people will come out with them the same disrespect and I do it. It not nice, it not look nice.
Every woman you see a disrespect. Now come by me. Me not see you deal with the man them like how you deal with blood clot woman. Yes a fish. Yes a batty boy. That's why artist them fuck you. I me believe nobody can tell me not believe. Can me believe artist fuck you for true.
Hold on the shape. Sultan me a come.
Alright,
He ma add me, I'm not gonna add him right, so I make him understand, so I not like that you keep on do it and you keep on say you're sorry and you disrespect the girl. I don't. Yeah, you press that.
Me tell him if you unblock me and he not do it, so it sorry expire.
Blamdem, stop that. Leave him
Actually, sorry
alone.
expire, kind. It take too long to unblock me. But remember, say, bro, you say you see video with Shay. A sleeping man na pampas. You know see video?
I lie, no go so I just people.
I show me see video, people say they see it, the people not.
Alright. Them not like shit. Listen, you see on the app, them not like me and shit. You have to understand. Them are gonna bring me down regardless. You want me to try to make you know, bro? Just don't follow them corrupt people, yeah. Cause you see what they are telling us.
Mr. After Mr. Pretend program.
Them come over here start telling him say me a transmission. How me a transmission, me a this, me a that. Don't follow people them brand them.
That's true.
Them stop.
People them bad, don't follow them.
Don't
Alright
listen to them.
No tell Rosalie if you had me.
Kitty, yeah, party, Kitty. Yeah, go party.
Nah go party.
No. I think a party, yeah, go.
Yeah, my baby, must tomorrow. No, not tonight. I just book my Uber for go home.
Alright, dams. How are your sins?
As I say, me just tell him to stop that style, them man. Behave in style. If you're ready, tell the girl story, you come back to the cross with foolishness again. Behave, man.